Welcome to our channel One to Step. Today I'll teach you how you guys can log in into your WeVerse account. Before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for WeVerse login just like this. After you search for it, the first option over here where it says login, you want to click on it and make sure it takes you to weverse.io. That is the official website of WeVerse, alright? So once you're in its official page, where it says email, you need to enter your email address. Whichever email address you used when you created your WeVerse account, enter that, and after you enter that, where it says password, you need to enter the password of your account. So do that real quick and click on login. Once you do that, if your email and password is correct, you should be able to log in into your WeVerse account. And if you forgot your password, you can always click on forgot password to recover your password as well. And if you created your WeVerse account using Twitter, Google or Apple ID, you can click on any of this option and connect your ID with it and log in into your account. That's how you guys can log in into WeVerse. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.